Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Itinerario Flores Aparicio. Today I will talk to you about my trip to San Hill. Did you spend much money for your last trip? What is a fair amount? No, really. The trip was planned and the money that we worked as each day was project. Did you go sick or your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? Yes, before traveling we read the itinerary and see some nice place to go, such a waterfly and a cow. What is the most uncommon food you have eaten during a trip? There is a lot of autumn food in the towns of Santander. Among those is the craft chicha of different fruit. What are the most visited places of tourist attraction in your city? Santuary of the Virgen del Páramo, Gallineral Park, Barichara, Bien Point, Shore of the Virgin, Santa Lucia in Guane, and Rio Fons. What place had you missed to visit during your trip? The main, the Cave of the Nun, and take a cabin tour. Thank you.